Enjoy gorgeous sea views from this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3rd-floor unit at Granada Del Mar. The gallery with northern exposure is the perfect place to take in the sunrise, sip your morning coffee, and enjoy the cooling trade winds from this waterfront condo. This home is located in a central location with complex features including a common room, laundry, pool, and sandy beach. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Contact David Fidelis, your Coldwell Banker real estate professional in St. Croix, for all the details on this property.